It's a 2018 Honda Civic hatchback. Impressively bold and rebellious, this Civic hatchback never plays catch-up. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. External memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, USB port, manual telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and streaming audio. Car and Driver finds its design is sleek and fastback-like, with a large, severely raked greenhouse that no longer includes frumpy front quarter windows. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.